Guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, we're out here on the seat. So today, guys, today 4th of April 2024, guys, is it? Yes, we are out there right now, guys, to try and make some waves. I'm currently on Pelican Key, guys. First y'all seen this one from my channel. Probably y'all have seen from a different channel before, but first y'all seen from mine. One ugly, man. So guys, where you see from yesterday, so them camp out on the key, guys, but we just come. You can see next bird down there is a push. You see me? Some baby fish in the water there, so I see some permit. Oh, one more thing. My birthday come up soon, guys. You see me? I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. Me, I can do an island trip. Bring some people come on the island, guys. Come enjoy yourself and have fun. Or I can go Mobia, got Sugarloaf, got the river people, got the Great River, guys. I'm not sure what I want to do it, but maybe you guys can do a vote for it or something. People, I'm not sure still, as I'm off to do it, guys. So the 16th of April come, guys, I'm birthday. And we can do one out of it, either island trip or a visit to the Great River. You see my people? One out of the two. We don't know which one would be best, but that's why I make y'all know right now, people. You see me? So guys, the 16th of April, remember. But guys, yeah, it's the Great Pelican Key.
Yes, guys, I'm going back.
Which is right. So it's the Great Pelican Key, guys. Great Pelican Key. It's not as big as Pigeon Island, guys, but it's pretty nice, just the same. Not that wrong. Where fish them with us? Where fish them? Married soon off already. Married soon off for this one trouble. We just do one trouble now. Just so guys, that is it. No, we are taking a journey now, guys, you know. I'll just come drop off some food for them, because them run low on food, you see me? So come drop off some food for them, guys. And we're gonna head off right now. You see me, people, I have one next boat there, so I'm not too sure who the person the beach, but they're from the same beach as us. So moving along, guys, get y'all back on the journey. You see me? Guys, when I get back, you have to check up on them. People, guys, and the two of them just a single life for the best. The man they are see, yeah, and the man of place I check up on him for them made. Babes. Guys, we tell you, single life for the best, guys. Single life, that is man. Guys, single life is the best. You better tell them, look for you, freaking this, everything. We are fisherman. You have to check up while we can if we get fun. I don't know new to your father, just Easter just passed. Easter just passed, you get that much, you get that boatload of bun. No, one cheese. Yeah, you get cheese with you don't get cheese with it. Watch up who I like them. One I like them. Single life, I best people.
16 for them. Yeah, babes, I don't know. But I was 16 for them, so we can see. Nice! So, I put it on this one. Adventures, line up us there. Rig up.
This is the rope you use to measure the depth of the water, because you don't have a when you again? Garmin or one of them gauge people, isn't it? So with the traditional way. A rope with a weight for the end of it. Understand, people? Yeah. So most of you are supposed to know what the light is for already, people. The light is for us to find back the pole when you touch dark. It's more people because it has stay till dark. Right? So that's what it's that for. And we are about to go Lego right now, guys. Next really over there, so. So guys, right now what I'm at is my drive go track the ground to see how far the coral reef end, people, you see? So when you find the end of it, you start to go from there, go back up. So like we are drive down, you see now? We are drive go sun out, people. The ground gone down more. Small stone and stuff. So guys, the ground lead to that way. So when we reach the edge of it, the end of the coral reef, guys, then we'll turn the boat and let it go up that direction. Alright? The stone gone way back down there. Run off now. Gonna start back. I can't live on this, Alright guys, look real close so you will see some stripes of white and black. Where you see the white, that is sand. Where you see the black, that is coral reef, guys. Sometimes raise up to about 3 to 4 feet high off the ground, guys. That's how thick coral reef actually is. Sometimes it go up to about 5 feet, sometimes even 7. Alright guys, so the blacks are the coral reef, the whites are the sand. So when you see look up on black and white, guys, that's basically what it is, and that's where all the fishes live. Okay people? Alright guys, so it's been about 45 minutes since the net has been set. Here's my people. Right now there's a wait on the sun to build as usual. Right. Flip the camera now guys and show you oh, the place of people and how far out today and the whole sunset. And we have about the next 20 minutes before sunset, guys, but this is looking no. Here's my view. So I'm going to flip the camera now. So look guys, I'm not sure if y'all can see Poland, but it's right over there, so I have to look really close, guys. And maybe y'all spot it. If not, probably y'all can see my brother over there. Maybe not see him, guys, maybe down. If it's on a big screen like a TV, probably y'all see him. If it's on a phone, there's a 50-50 chance, guys. So yeah. Safe place there, people. And right now we are about 19 miles out. maybe 20 guys, but I have to check to make sure. But as yeah guys, them it's in those region 19, 20 or 18. And way out guys, I can see a ship passing in the mighty deep. I'm not sure if that catch on camera guys, but it's me look on it clear right there, so but not sure if y'all are seeing it, but yeah guys, it's there. So stay tuned people, and the next time you see me, I'll show you the beautiful sunset. Alright guys, I time is now. Right? See if y'all can see it. Sun about to go down guys. About 5 minutes of sunlight remaining. So you know see as soon as the sun submerge behind the hills guys, we're like about 10 minutes, it's at the deep is right. So yeah. Stay tuned. I'll be with the podcast guys. Anything will be exciting already. I want to see everything will catch. Here's me people. Miss up dog. That tug already. That tug already. Aye.
Last walk na ito. Last walk na ito. Okay po siya lang po yun.
Please stack up fast today though. Please stack up fast today. Fisher. Doctor. Let me see. White ako again. Doctor. Oh, close one. Go for him. It's on your side. Oh, 6 doctor come now. But 3 fish on first. Oh, pink right there, bro. Go for him, big one. Pull him there. Oh, this is a waka, so. Small red belly. Cup and walk up. Take off, take off. Alright, I'll go. in the dog.
Hold it with that, back up. Yeah?
Dog boy.
Go. Take my headlight, take them off now. You know what the headlight for? Give him back, Joe.
Here, eyeball. Eyeball pull. Kalau dia kom. Kalau es. Ay, the catch. Doctor. Nanti tu saya beri, pak ibu tu doctor ni check kau ni. Yang doctor dia.
Guys, there's a fireman here.
Look at that, people. Big gold tail here, guys.
One second.
Big gold tail. White. It's like a nice one, our doctor. Pink Parrot, go film kush. Hey, Bilal. That is it, people, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah.
Guys, that's what I go on. What's the high up? What's our fish? What fish are?
Look at that. Yo, go film. Look at that, Bilal, na. Light na focus pa rin. Wala ang wala mo.
Basta ba?
Oh, ano ba res? Wala deh. Kakangkern. Now game so sharp, don't na kami na. A glimpse of couple fish. A nice one, no go for you.
Let's talk nine. It's like this method. Our doctor.
Doctor. Couple them well. Alright guys, in the stay tuned.
That's what I watch out.
Then nah, see good no but.
Nah, see good.
That people.
Watch out, Miko. Take them off fast.
Alex Blue, they're coming.
You don't have to go fast. You have to. You like the fast. Don't give it too much slack. One more.
On. Oh, see one more of me, sir.
That one there?
Yeah.
Road again. So I go on, guys. It's a free, right?
Yeah.
So I go on.
Watch it. Bomba! There, take me now, I'm close up here.
Come closer. Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Move up. Big one, blue. Voilà.
Show on there. Sasha.
Big blue part.
Take me there. Stone.
Come up. Yeah. Alright. Give me stone, everything. What are they about? Blue doctor. Have him.
I don't want to look.
Come up. Give me one again. Go stay down there.
More of them.
More.
Bigger body. Go for them, dog.
Next time, put the fish in.
Big now. Take them in, dog. Go on, man.
Watch out there.
Let's put the keep him. Oi.
So, hold them. Big fish about. Come up. Road.
Big blue part.
Yeah.
Have him?
Oh, yeah, me, man.
Okay.
What down there? Headline. Blue back.
Blue doctor. Watch Parrot. Go on, which one? Go on. Fish again.
Fish up. One country, put this one.
Fish again, no?
Oh.
Go on again, fish. catch them.
Punch one.
On.
Alright, yeah. Alright.
Fish there again.
Pick up that one and let's do enough.
Fish there, some more. Go along. On.
Ready, are you?
Det är lagt då. Nej, det. Tycker inte det. Det är en bit av size då.
Yeah, big up. So, yeah.
Aj då. Two more. Or three more. No, a stone.
What happened?
Sure, no, see a fish inside the water. You try to eat. Alone. Fish again. Clean on the back.
Hold it.
Yeah. Hold, blue part, big one. Blue part, Ian, blue part. Big in. Oh, two. The one with a massive.
Yeah, that's fine.
Watch out, pink part in. Fish again, pretty fish, pretty fish. Pretty fish. Bring there.
Olha só, olha
Blue part, yes. Look like him. Pink and blue look like. Yeah. Which one? Which one? Yeah, which one? Alright guys, so done now. Can see? Done! See the pole for this,
Yeah, guys.
No, come on now and eagle up above. See the people? It's like Poland. Yeah. So as we speak, I can see push this up, pick up the fish them guys. When we put aside. Yeah, black money right now. Yo, put this up, Mr. Dark.
Let me know so. Yeah, right, let's put up by the car. That's what's water, right?
Cut them guys. Yeah. Right there. Guys, we call him a red belly parrot, but the right name for them is stoplight parrot, guys. Stoplight. Yeah.
1, 2,
No, look, you got a stoplight for real.
drive the car on top of your head.
Right name for them guys is a stoplight parrot, but we call him as. We call him red belly, guys. The one here, me know him as gold tail. I bite it, me call. You guys see? Gold tail parrot call on here. Pretty. And him tail gold. Some people call on a pinky blue, but blue parrot, guys, you know? Yeah. And people have to be really careful because if one of them here bite you, you see flesh. You see my people? No, remember guys, remember, parrotfish eat coral reef.
Guys.
Alright, this one I know, and this you know to bite you. Guys, this one down here. Ah! Bone dropping. If this one I bite the people, not normal. Cut these two. Actually guys, you don't want none of them parrot fish to bite you. Because they eat coral reef. And coral reef is literally rock guys. They can bite rock. So imagine if it's a finger that got bitten guys. It wouldn't be pretty. So stay tuned guys, I could fish them now. Then show me catch after.
All I water that shit. So get water, super up inside ice. Then when I put the back of the water and cut off it and put the power pan and make it melt. And the water, the ice comes, see you know, drink it, see you still there.
Oh look from my shirt and let's stop. Check your wristwatch.
Control them. Mr. Adventurous, control them. Oh, nice one there.
Control, pass, roll. What is that for? I'm a forward.
No, come on, let's see this.
Well, the very first I thought I'm a forward for you, look over them.
See that? Very nice. And the one.
I'm a forward for you. Me buggy, but
How long can be?
on next Sunday or so. Guys, I hide the fish them and throw them on the forward. Here's my guys. One throw. Oh, I don't know for real. They're not forward, but we hide them sitting. Just in case them are forward speak, let's use to throw them. Try to troll them people. So we'll just wait and see if them forward free guys.
Guys, watch you woman in my yard. Wow.
Watch it. Fish for days, bomba! A murder! Me here not get them man. A murder! One crate of this and I go.
We show to one crate more doctor.
So not going now dog? Not going now?
Yeah, going enough doctor me catch.
Yeah, no more. You going with us?
No, that's not sure there now.
With us?
Yo.
You going?
I'm going to pick up my leg. I'm going to Shaba, come talk for the boat, because I will shine. Come talk for the boat now. Let go, because as me done, so I'm going to go in it, you know.
Guys, man, them finding food
take
people.
It from me. Watch you woman them when you can, cause me a man know somebody I see now. Me can't do nothing or say nothing, you know. Cause me not put up my excess money if you know woman now. So guys, all who can watch them when you watch them. So I have to say, I'm afraid of money, you know. That's why I stay single right now.
I'm afraid about that fisherman either.
That's why I'm single now. And church woman more if oh, you can't come over there.
Talk.
So people, if any good church woman out there who nice woman will hit me up. My number again. 2254998, you know? Any woman rare, I mean we're good. Can't manage my bonnet now. We stop pass.
A little baby one.
You see guys, watch it up. I the fish from them, they have no idea.
They find for themselves.
They find them food, man.
You see a bee come on and catch.
Start from them. You guys throw them some over there, so now. You can move up there now. One big one now, so now.
That's me so showing everything fully, isn't me? I'm stay tuned.
Mash up that.
No, I'm from the set, you know. Promise that my boy.
This is one, yeah.
You squeeze yourself from beside me. Me a lick young girl. You want lick that? You want lick young girl, bro? Keep your tongue in your head, brother. Keep your tongue in your head, you.
No. Why?
Then you used to lick young girl, them. Keep your tongue in your head, brother. You don't put your tongue on female, my friend. As a matter of fact, me ain't a friend.
Oh boy, that's tough.
As a matter of fact, brother, me and you.
You don't kiss your girlfriend? Right
We
now.
don't have a girlfriend.
When I get her, you don't kiss her?
Depends on it. Listen. Depends on the mood. You see me?
Voilà, okay. Round it so.
But from now on, keep your tongue in your head. You see me? Don't come talk about lick the girl.
Spin the damn bag, motherfucker.
You know how people say after the internet, brother. I assume the words, man, especially one hot-head.
Spin the bag, no, brother.
Especially hot-head, no kush.
We not see that, man.
You can't say no. You can't ever say rat, brother. I'm going to say, what do you think me even with that card? But you know me at all.
Spin the bag. Spin the bag, me,
The dog saying even name moderator, father name.
Father,
Brother, big up yourself, bro, you know? No joke, no doubt about it. We're gonna watch the youth, we're gonna watch him.
Make up. One light pole straight like me.
You know, 5 foot, Mr. Ben.
That's all one you want to see them. Come, we can adapt to them, say that's cool. Means, so spread out it. So I sometimes. Short one. Yeah. You call this me go, you talk.
Man.
You call this a layer, you know? So that's when everything frees up back in the igloo, guys. It'll come like one cake over it, basically. Throw fish from this side. But I know. So that's how it's now. When I go back, put more fish on top. That light.
Feel it for you, boy.
That light, man. That light.
I mean, if you used to lick girls, so.
Me and
you light.
Oh, me. Not doing that. Send it quick.
Create him up now, guys.
Watch out, guys. Just jump in that boat. I like good fish. You can't like a flying fish.
Really? Real? Pass it. Take time with him.
Just jump in that boat. Sure. Take time, boy. Like a big one down to back.
Guys, some flying fish just jump in that boat, guys.
Look at baby.
Baby one, look at him. He can't fly, guys. He can glide. But the wing, guys, are pretty. We take my time, guys, because I don't want to damage him. You see? You seeing people?
I'll come over here. I'll revive.
Come on, lens, fog up, bro. So look at people. Fish for days. Load him up.
Sure, pretty.
Yeah, contact what you're trying to do.
You know, drop. People have some back week.
Look at that.
Did I say no, I reach it? Mexico. Look at that. Beautiful. So I put everything on one layer. Look at
Hold them up like a GoPro to them. Hold them up. Give me hold him now, man.
Watch it.
Push.
Show your doctor fish them. Yeah, watch your people.
3 pound or 4 pound is that?
Listen, you mind to listen? A full long, a full. I can't know what I'm saying.
Come on, Dad.
You see that crabby?
Kirby.
Right here, you come over right. Okay, I'm a friend.
Can't go in, dog.
Come on, come on. Okay, that's correct.
Watch it.
Yes, people, you want to stop.
Okay, my beautiful people. We try one set equal guys off camera. Here is it. And this will find out for you guys. This is what we found from it. You know what? Bite me, yeah?
Never heard it.
Bite me, guys. Caribbean lane snapper, we just do them as red snapper here in Jamaica, guys. Funny them teeth. Funny teeth them. Like a vampire biting in it. So what on peeps? Yeah.
Enough big pressure for this about. Better up there. Alright, see it guys. This is a set number 3. You know comes 100 no, but you know bother catch one and snap off it and thing, you know. So right now we are show you and can go and cool out a little bit, and then night 4 o'clock we go take morning set. So we keep on you guys posted. So keep up a good work, keep support, get 2 popcorn as adventures I will say. Go on, see what I'm going on, you know?
So guys, as you can see, set light up upwards. Any boat that pass in a nearby vicinity, you can see the light them people, you see me? If you look over there, you see 2 lights as well, that's the brother. You see my people? Yeah, right this one. I see full light right here. So that's a safety precaution, guys. Whenever you're at sea, after you have light people, you see me? So right now, guys, time I know. Till the time. 2:16. You see me, guys? So I'm just stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, we're looking at the morning set now people. Yeah, I'm keeping it dark for a while now, so it's time for me to shed some light on all of my new viewers them. You see my people? My loyal fans them know exactly what I'm going right now guys, so I don't have to explain to my loyal fans them, but my new fans them, they're setting it right now guys. And I can't have the light on for long guys, for the sole purpose that the captain can't see exactly where I'm going right now because I have the light on. Because it's pitch black guys, and the more black off the light guys, it's still now can't see until about 2 minutes. And right now we're going to do something else. Good morning guys. Good morning. What's up, Charles, Missy? Why me I tell him that? Why me I tell him that? Why me I tell him that me get him Java? I seen the cooler from last night. Here they. The ice that brother.
Real generally. Magla, fisherman, fish killer, everything. Social media, I want to put him up on some bites. And this man is real original, all purpose. Nice team I come from. All of them fish are eating them. When Ghana back there, them youth are not here, so put up them youth. Original. Yeah, man, this is right. I experienced, yeah?
Pull us in, we'll get a fight.
Hi. Good morning. So that is it now, guys. I know in another adventure, you know, we have to go out there, people. Can get y'all those epic content, so you guys don't have to go out there, guys, isn't me? So you're out here without fear like all time people, isn't me? So guys, please put yourself, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do the right thing. You see, another commercial fishing will come to an end, people, isn't me? One love, guys. Bless, peace and love every time. As I say, guys, birthday come up, so I'm not sure which one I want to do as yet, but take more time, guys, we figure out exactly what I want to do, guys. Remember, it's the 16th of April. Alright, people? So, just to do it, guys. Thank you for support at the time. You see me? Peace and love, I'm saying earlier, guys. Enough respect. Love you all, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.